Hi, my name is Allior and I'm from Liberia, West Africa. I'm currently studying at the PDE University and I'm studying petroleum engineering. Well, currently I just want to rate the TRUST SHALOOM Studio for their work that they have been doing to support Africans, because it's one of the greatest things to help each other. And since I came, their services that they have rendered to me have been great. Like, number one, they do not just help you to get scholarship, they also help you until you reach to your destination, like picking you up from the airport, taking you around campus, making you to get used to the place, introducing you to the food, helping you get along with friends in the atmosphere of the campus. And they have made me feel comfortable, and I must applaud them and appreciate them for their hard work. And if I'm to rate them to 10%, I'll rate them 10 over 10. Thank you.